Amidst prevailing tense situation in Manipur, a man was allegedly beheaded by suspected armed Kuki miscreants in Jiribam yesterday. As per preliminary reports, the man identified as Jiribam Sarat Kumar Singh, 59 year of Sorok Atingbi Kuno, Jiribam, went out to check on his farm located at Lesabitol, Jiribam, when some armed miscreants attacked him. His dead body was found at a roadside at around 5 p.m. Following the incident, tensions escalates at the area. Iraq locals set fire to an abandoned structures, houses at Uchato. Locals also staged a protest in front of Jiribam police station demanding that their licensed firearms taken from them be returned after the completion of polls as per sources. Amid rising concern over potential disturbances and threats to public tranquility in Jiribam, the district magistrate has imposed prohibitory orders under Section 144 of the Criminal Procedure Code 1973. Krishna Kumar, IAS District Magistrate of Jiribam, announced the order in response to unlawful activities by anti-social elements that could lead to widespread unrest, breaches of peace, and imminent danger to life and property. Citing the likelihood of these disturbances resulting in serious breaches of peace and public tranquility, the district magistrate has issued the prohibition on assemblies. The assembly of 5 or more persons is banned if it is likely to turn unlawful. This measure aims to prevent any gatherings that could escalate into riots or affrays. Ban of carrying firearms, swords, sticks, stones, or any other lethal weapons and sharp-edged objects that could be used offensively is strictly prohibited. This is to ensure that potential threats to safety and security are minimized. Further, movement of individuals outside their residences within the revenue jurisdiction of Jiribam district is restricted. However, this order does not apply to government agencies, functionaries, and security forces involved in law enforcement and essential services. Exemptions are made for emergencies and for individuals seeking to conduct processions for marriages, funerals, or other events within the scheduled area. In such case, application must be submitted to the district magistrate or the superintendent of police, Jiribam district, for permission. Processions cannot proceed without written permission from the authorities.
Punna kaino tawraga hamni ga madugai duga pan makung jalu si ene satliba pan makung ye suom na kotna madugai leilaga loiraga duga thoklaga aduga kaino tawraga mana chamban maya duga ngonje uchuksi ama nomine kholine asi kaino tawraga sanjangani khokani tawraga mana dugai duga nomaga madu leiriba khoina thorakpa sige chalasi lao heng tawrasi kholasi araga akoi mai cha si di gari se thogalaga laba dugai di akoina kaino khangdene siga gari em chu leine mi khara su sigai siga phammaga leine adu napa du la ja la karino ne la ko di ude na tawra ko je tawra dum thau-dana dum thau-dana hafet kumthara dum jongning yamang tawdu ga suiso bai na phone je tawra yeba mapa I phone ne dum tawba siga sina pa du ko suiso bai na tawra ine hau kambu na ka pha ja la karino khangde gari phamna le hori kambu singduna bu chinghat pi kha ja la ka dauri ja no ne na na amuka hanna chachi ne ana ko je dum thaudu ga gari je amukam ma chani pa sina thi bala ya ba dugai duga ima gari di lei bai center lei adu duga mado kaino tawraga adu pa di lei ram dre ma chinghat na pung na chakra ba khang de na dugai duga ma na thuna lau ma na I pura thuna lau pa da pu pa ma le na dugai duga ma na re pade na mi si koi kong ko ma lau sumai tang na la tre khotre ma da center nya gari lei ga mai da bu na chi ma ya mai tau na dugai duga num chi wala ko na gari ye chen na lei na mi ni